In today's class, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of number-based system. Addition and subtraction of number-based system. Okay? All right. When we talk of number-based system, there are different bases. Okay? We have binary, which is base 2. We have base 3. We have base 4, base 5, base 6, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, but let's begin with the smallest base, which is base 2. So, example number 1. Okay? Evaluate. Let's write evaluate. One, 0 plus 1, base 2, base 2. All right. So number 2, 1, base 2 plus 1, base 2 minus 1, base 2. Okay, let's put 0 here. All right. So let's solve these two first. So number 1, solution. The first thing we do is to arrange it accordingly. So 1, 0 plus, you pick this one here. Remember, we are operating in base 2. 1, we add. Okay? 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 in base 2. 1 plus 1 in base 2 is 10. We call it 10 because normally 1 plus 1 is 2. We cannot write 2 here because the base is what? Is 2. So we have to divide the answer here by the base, by 2. So 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. The remainder is 0. So that is why we normally call 1 plus 1 is 10. So if I remove this R, it becomes 10. So we have to put down 0. We now take 1 to the other side. So 1 plus 1 is 3. We call it 11 base 2. But actually it's 2, it's 3, then you divide by the base as well. So 3 divided by 2 will give us 1, remaining 1. So if I remove this R, we have 11. All right? So, but it is 1, then remainder what? Remainder 1. So I put the 1 here, then the remaining 1, I bring it here. So that is that. So this is the answer to example number 1. Okay? Example number 2. So we are going to add this first before we subtract this. So we have 1, 0, 1 base 2. Then we start this from this side. 1. We add this first. So 1 plus 1 is 10. Like I said, normally it's 2, but we divide by 2. So we have 1. 10. We put down 0. Take 1 to this side. So 1 plus 1 is 3. But 3 divided by 2, by the base, we have 1, remainder 1. So we have 11. So we put down 1, we take 1 to this place. So 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 again is 10. So we put down 0, we take 1 here. So we have 1, then we have 1. Now we bring down the negative 1. 1, base 2. So we subtract. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So we take 1 from here. The one we take here, we put down 0, is equivalent to the base, which is 2. Okay? So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. Put down 2. Put down the base 2. So 0 minus 1 is not possible as well. So we have to come to this other side. So we have 0 left. So bring it here, we have 2. So take 1 from 2, is remaining 1. So bring it here, we have 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we are left with 1 here. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 0 minus 1 is not possible. So we have to take the one we have here. We bring it to this place. We have 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the answer. The 0 is remaining here. This is 0. But we do not need to write this 0 here. So this one is the answer to this. Take note. Normally when we are subtracting in base 10, you say 23 minus 15. Okay? So 3 minus 15 is not possible. So we take 1 from here, remaining 1. So we say 13. Why is it 13? The base here is 10. Same goes to this. We are operating in base 2. So whatever we take from here is equivalent to 10. That's why we say 13. That means 10 plus 3. Okay, so that is what we have here. But this one is base 2. So that is why we are taking 1 and we convert it to what? To 2, which is the base. All right. So example number 3. Example number 3. If x plus 212 base 3 is equal to 2000 base 3. Find the value of x. Now we are operating in base 3. Please take note. So whatever we take from the neighboring number will be equivalent to base 3. In case we have any cost to take, we are not borrowing. Please take note. Okay. So given x plus 212 base 3 is equal to 2000 base 3. So we are going to collect like terms. So we are going to take 212 base 3 to this other side. So collect like terms. So we have x now is equal to 2000 base 3. So I'm going to arrange it once and for all. So minus. So I have 2 base 3. I will arrange from here to this other side. Then you have 1, you have 2. So we subtract. 0 minus 2 is not possible. So I'm going to take 1 from this 2 all the way from this place. So I take 1 is remaining 1. So I will bring it here first. The one I took from here is equivalent to the base. Take note, please. So I will take 1 from 3 again, is remaining 2. So I will bring it here again. That is 3. I will take 1 from 3. We have 2. Then final destination. 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3 minus 2 will give us 1. Base 3. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 2 minus 2 will give us 0. So it's remaining 1 here. So we have 1. So this is the answer. We now see therefore x now is equal to 1011 base 3. X is equal to 1011 base 3. All right. We've come to the end of today's class. If you have any question or any comment, drop it in the comment section. We are going to treat it. Remember, we are learning together. So bye for now.